The Vivo X Fold 5 has arrived. It's thinner, more powerful, and more durable than before. It was unveiled in China today and is following the footsteps of the X Fold 3 Pro and will get a global release soon. It has the same display size, a 6.53-inch cover screen and 8.03-inch inner screen. The inside one is now has a Zeiss master color screen and a second generation AMOLED glass. The Vivo X5 Fold is slimmer. It measures 9.2 millimeter when folded and 4.3 millimeter when unfolded, but it is lighter at 217 grams. The white and green pine version is a bit thicker and heavier at 9.7 folded and 26 grams in weight. For comparison, the Vivo X Fold 3, which is thinner and lighter than X Fold 3 Pro, measured 10.2 at its when folded and weighed 219 grams. The hinge is made of high strength steel and carbon fiber to be as durable and light as possible. It has the largest battery size yet on a foldable at 6000 milliampere. It is not the thinnest foldable, but Vivo engineers managed to find room for 40 watts fast wireless charging in addition to 80-watt wire charging in this. The inner panel is LTPO OLED screen with 120 Hz refresh rate and 2480 into 2200 pixel resolution with 10-bit color. Peak brightness is 4500 nits. The camera boasts of 3 cameras on the back: 50 megapixel main, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and 50 megapixel 3x periscope camera. All of them are Zeiss coating. The X Fold 5 has 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and off-the-grid text and voice over Bluetooth at a distance of up to 1 kilometer. The USB-C port supports USB 3.2 Gen 1 and display port for video. The phone is powered by last year's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. It's paired with 12 16 GB of RAM and goes up to 1 terabyte of storage with UFS 4.1 storage. The old chipset is a disappointment, but the display and camera upgrades are not earth-shattering. Battery upgrades is and top-notch IP rating. You get IPX9 plus rating, making the highest rated for dust. It's available for pre-order at the official online store in China, and starting base model starts at $975, going up to 1 terabyte model of $1,325.